Hey. Sure. Kunjani bula?
Oh, isala le.
Yensama. Uyaphi ndoda? Hayi. Kona ama undocumented ke ngawabona. Bona ke le nenkosi yawo ke le.
Musa.
Boss. Inkosi. Hey. Hey.
It's a kid.
Just before 10.
Who is home affairs? How old are you?
Okay, no stress, no stress.
Where are your parents?
Okay, sharp. Oh, man.
Yeah? What? Yo.
Okay, no stress. I'll speak to him now because I'm with him. It's fine.
Yes. I need to know about social development. Yo, disaster, gele? You know, the things our parents do sometimes.
I mean, how old are you?
I mean, which language do you speak? Yo. Bathi baphethe abanye abazali kodwa. Yabona kodwa abazali banokusenzani sometimes.
Sorry, Pat.
Khona kongisho ukudliwayo mosla.
Can you demolish this one as well?
Akuna next.
Hey, akazwa ngishila ngoba angiboni ukuthi khona I understand hayo. But ibuke mncane kanjani? Baba. Social development. Yo, I think we need the assistance of social development here. He doesn't understand any of the languages.
But he's young. How old are you?
Yo.
Social development.